This is part 2 of our tutorial on how to manage your results or records in EBSCOhost databases. Now let's go through how to email a record. Hover your mouse over the email link or icon and left click. To your right, you see the same options you saw when printing a record. Instead of printing out your record, you will be emailing it. And you have the required fields to email your record. Typically, your email from field will be populated for you. Notice that below the fields, you have two additional options for the format: rich text and plain text. The rich text option will apply some of the display features you see in word processing programs such as Microsoft Office Word. The plain text option will render your record in plain text. Once you've made your selections and filled out the required fields, click on Send to send your record. Now let's save a record. Hover your mouse over the link Save or the icon and left click. This summons a page where you see those three options you saw when printing a record: standard field format, citation format, customized field format. These options allow you to decide the format of the record you save. You have the added option of including the HTML link to the article in case a direct link to the HTML version of the article is available. Once you have selected your options, click on Save. Once you click on Save, you will be taken to another page where you find instructions on how to save the actual record. Follow the directions and save the record to your desired location. You can also easily manage your records in your folder. Before you go to your folder, make sure you select the records you'd like to add to the folder. There are two ways to add records to the folder. The most obvious way is to browse the results list and click the Add to Folder icon for each record you want to add to the folder. This adds the record to the folder. Another way to add a record to a folder is to go to the record view and find the Add to Folder icon on your right. Left-clicking on the icon adds the record to your folder. Once you've selected the records to add to the folder, proceed to the folder. Find the folder icon at the top of your EBSCOhost display, or find the folder view link to the right of your results listing. Left-click on either and you will be taken to your folder. The advantage to managing your results within the folder is that you can select multiple records to print, email, or save. To select multiple records to carry out a function on, you have two options. One is to select all the records in the folder by clicking in the checkbox, or you can browse through your records and select individual records to perform a function on. Simply click in a checkbox to select a record. Once you've selected your records, decide on the function you wish to have performed. You will notice the export icon. This function is outside the scope of this tutorial. Please view our tutorial on how to directly export records from EBSCOhost databases to RefWorks to learn how to use this function. You have reached the conclusion of our tutorial on how to manage your records in databases offered through EBSCOhost. Thank you.